In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer a crypto coin from one Bybit account to another Bybit account using the mobile application in very simple steps. Also, I will show you that how you can transfer these crypto coins 100% free, and you can transfer instantly from one account to another account. So you just have to follow all these steps which are in this video. Otherwise, you may lose your funds, or maybe you have to pay the fee for this transaction. But I will show you that how you can transfer 100% free. So let's come on the mobile screen without wasting any time. If you are new on this channel, if not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel for more videos. So I have opened Bybit account. I'm on cell phone, and here you can see I have 11.15 USDT. Now let me show you that how you can transfer crypto coin from my Bybit account to another Bybit account in 100% free. First, you have to come on the assets. So here you can see the accounts. Just like in trading, I have 11.15 USDT. In funding, I have 0 USDT. Derivative, I have 0 USDT. So whenever you want to transfer from here, or whenever you want to withdraw from here, you have to transfer amount from trading to funding. You can withdraw from the funding. You can't withdraw from the trading. So let's transfer some USDT from trading to funding first. Come on the trading. So currently you can see I have $11 of Solana. So let me sell this Solana first. Then we will transfer USDT from here. You can also send Solana from here, but I want to transfer USDT. Alright, come on the assets, trending. So here you can see now I have 11 USDT in my trading account. Click on the transfer, press this arrow to send from trading to funding. On the coin, select USDT or whatever coin you want to transfer from here to funding. I want to transfer USDT because I have fund in the USDT. Click on max. So here you can see now I have 11 USD on my funding. Click on this. Now press on the withdraw. On the withdraw, here you will see all your assets in which have some amount. Just like I have currently only USDT, select this. After pressing this, here you will see two options, on-chain and internal. So whenever you transfer from Bybit to another exchange, or Bybit to wallet, or Bybit to anything, then you have to use an on-chain. But currently we are transferring from Bybit to another Bybit account. So we will use internal transfer. If you use on-chain by giving the address, network, then you have to pay fee here. But I will show you that how you can transfer free. Come on the internal transfer. And here you can see that on the withdrawal fees on the internal transfer is 0 fees. And you can transfer using the email, mobile and UID. So you can choose any option. I will use UID. Here you have to paste the UID, and after that you have to select the withdrawal amount. Now let me show you from my another account that how you can get the UID. So this is my another account. So to get the UID, you have to press this icon, profile icon. Click on letter, and here you can see UID on the top. Click on this, and UID has been copied. Now you can share your UID to get the funds. So I have entered UID here. Now here you have to create the amount here. Minimal withdrawal from here is 1 USDT. So I will send $1. Click on the withdraw, confirm. Now here you have to add the verification codes. Click on send code. You will get code on the email. Also here you have to paste the Google Authenticator code. Maybe you will get code on the mobile phone. Depends on your security setting. After adding the both codes, click on confirm. And here you can see that it says that withdrawal application has been submitted. View withdrawal history. Now it says under review. Click on it. And here Bybit also provide you facility that you can cancel the transfer till it is under review. It will not take much time. In a couple of minutes your transfer will be successfully transferred. So in a second, here you can see withdrawal has been completed and it's success. Now let's see on the another account that we have received these USDT or still on the pending. So here you can see I have received 1 USDT in my funding account from my another Bybit account. Deposit 1 USDT. So here you can see we have successfully received 1 USDT from another Bybit account. You can see the chain type, timing, deposit address, transaction hash. If you face any problem, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.